Welcome back. I hope everyone had a great summer. Well, as great as you can have in the middle of a global pandemic. Well, speaking of COVID-19, preparing for a fall schedule of in-person classes amidst coronavirus has been the work of the college since we canceled classes and pivoted to online back on March 13th. On July 6th, in a joint news conference with Missouri State, we announced that our protocols for the fall were open for in-person classes and everyone has to wear a mask. Students, faculty, and staff, anytime you're inside an OTC building. Mask wearing has been shown to significantly slow the spread of the disease. We'll also clean everything every morning with top-of-the-line disinfectant, and every classroom will have disinfecting wipes and hand sanitizer. All of these measures are designed to keep everyone healthy and ensure a successful semester. Also this year, Thanksgiving break is an entire week. Hooray! But we had to cancel fall break on October 12th and 13th to make that happen. Despite being almost 100% online for the summer session, the college experienced a double-digit growth in enrollment and a 70% growth in online enrollment. Chalk that up to student demand and offering more biological, clinical science, and advanced math classes online. This summer, the college received its first major donation for the Center for Advanced Manufacturing, $500,000 from Emerson. Emerson is a global engineering and technology corporation based in St. Louis. Members of the college went to Emerson's plant in Lebanon to tour the compressor manufacturing facility and receive the giant check. The Emerson donation will help train the next generation of manufacturers, as the CAM will be home to the Emerson Innovation Discovery Lab, which will provide an introduction to advanced manufacturing practices.
The commitment to OTC from Emerson for $500,000 for the Center for Advanced Manufacturing is right in our wheelhouse. We recognize the importance of the next generation technology, automation, electromechanical engineering, all of that with how we manufacture products in our facilities.
Speaking of training the next generation of manufacturers, Tech Ed and the CAM hosted middle and high schoolers in July for an Explore Advanced Manufacturing Camp. The event allowed students to manufacture a product using design, precision machining, and other modern manufacturing concepts. Students also got to meet local industry leaders and tour Springfield area manufacturing sites. Our paramedic graduates have new opportunities to further their education. This summer, OTC signed an articulation agreement with Southwest Baptist University that will allow our paramedic grads to seamlessly transfer into SBU's Associate of Science in Nursing program. The OTC Republic Center is ready for students when it opens on August 24th. The center was made possible by a $1 million land donation from the Bussey, Cox, Lipscomb families. More than 100 students are already enrolled at Republic. The 30,000 square foot facility could one day hold between 800 and 1,200 students.
Here we're going to have a lot of science courses, gen ed courses that are going to be able to transfer to the university. They're going to be able to transfer them into allied health programs or tech ed programs, and then we're going to be able to offer them something local. They don't have to drive to Springfield necessarily to be able to take those courses, and they're going to be able to, from the comfort of their own community, be able to take these courses that they can then do what they want with in the future.
And between the growth of online and the addition of new parking spaces, we may hear fewer complaints about parking this fall. When classes begin on August 24th, a new lot featuring 118 parking spots will be ready to go at OTC Springfield, just south of Pythian. The creative services team, my crew, had to redo a lot of our commercials, photography, and messaging in the midst of the pandemic. I think we're all about done with terms like unprecedented times and pivot. We want to leave you with our latest video commercial about being ready for fall. Enjoy, wear your mask, and until next time, I'll see you around the college.